Harmonic dictation is one of the toughest tasks for music students to master, especially university music students when they begin doing ear training. Melodic dictation is tough enough, but then harmonic dictation, hearing multiple voices at once. So I'm going to give you a little trick, and we're going to use a type of chord progression called a tonic expansion as an introduction to harmonic dictation. So tonic expansions are basically three chord progressions, 3 or 4 chord progressions, where tonic is at the beginning and end, and the tonic is expanded by inserting or interrupting the tonic with an intervening chord progression. You might call it a tonic prolongation. The idea is that the tonic is the predominant harmony. You hear it at the beginning, you hear it at the end. It's basically tonic that's sustaining, but in between is another chord, often dominant or leading tone or maybe subdominant. So the trick here is to use a little bit of strategy as much as use your ear. That is that when you hear a 3-chord progression, if you listen to the bass line, that gives you a pretty good idea what the chord progression is. When you hear the soprano line, then you even get more clues as to what the chord progression is. And just by rifling through in your mind a repertoire of chord progressions that you've memorized, you can kind of come up with what the chord progression is. So yes, you're using your ear to hear the outside voices. It's kind of like you're doing a melodic dictation on the bass line and a melodic dictation on the soprano line, and then you use strategy to just deduce what the chord progression could have been. So let's take a first chord progression where we're going to hear a bass line of do, so, do. That's probably tonic, dominant, tonic, right? Could be some other things, but probably tonic, dominant, tonic. Now, up top, we're going to hear do, ti, do. The T as the second note confirms that, yeah, that's probably dominant, because that T is the third of the dominant chord. Put it all together. This is the chord progression. So we can write the bass line in the key of C, let's say C, G, C, and we can write the soprano line in the key of C. It would be C, B, natural C, but we just assume the inner voices are good part writing and that kind of thing. So we're really just concerned with soprano, bass, and chord progression. So then we write the Roman numerals, tonic, dominant, tonic. And we've done at least an introduction to harmonic dictation. Now we know what the harmony is. So I've put together a bunch of tonic expansions. In fact, 18 of them. Most of them are 3 chord progressions, 1 through 14. And then 15 through 18 are 4 chord progressions. And they're all very common chord progressions. I'm going to announce what number they are and even show you those progressions on the screen just to introduce you to the idea of tonic expansions. But then what a music theory student should do is just listen to these chord progressions without watching the screen. Try to just practice notating the bass line first and then the soprano line, and then making a guess at what the chord progression is and putting the Roman numerals in. So this is my introduction to harmonic dictation. Hope it helps you out. Here are the 18 tonic expansions. Each one will be announced by number, and then you'll hear it being played 3 times in a row. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. Number 18.